Hi everyone and welcome to Palo Alto Firewall version 12 deployment modes. By the end of this course, you will clearly understand all the different deployment mode available in Palo Alto network firewall and how to use them in real network. I will walk you through how to install, configure and manage the firewall modes like a tape mode, like a V-wire, like a layer 2, like a layer 3, like a sub interfaces and aggregate interfaces. You will also get hands-on practical choosing the right deployment mode based on the network needs and assigning the correct zone and interfaces type. So with this knowledge, you will be able to integrate Palo Alto Firewall into any network in a secure, flexible and efficient way. Now, as per the course description, Palo Alto Firewall can be set up in different mode, which make them very flexible for all kind of network designs and security needs. As your network grow and change, you can also change the deployment mode of the firewall without need to replace the device. So PenOS, the operating system of Palo Alto Firewall, support different type of interface and zones, which I show you here. This means that you can run multiple deployment mode on the same firewall. Like in this case, we have single firewall and different deployment mode. For example, one port of the network can be tape mode for passive monitoring. Another part can be V-wire mode for the inline transparent security. And other interfaces can run as a layer 3 like this one and these two, handle routing and apply security policies. Now coming to the outline which we will cover in this course: introduction and initial configuration, configure initial firewall setting, manage firewall configuration, interface management configuration, Palo Alto firewall deployment, layer 2 deployment, layer 2 sub-interfaces, layer 2 with SUI deployment, layer 3 deployment modes, layer 3 VLAN deployment, layer 3 sub-interface deployment, tape mode deployment, V-wire deployment, aggregate deployment, and sub-interface deployment. The version which we use in this course is Palo Alto Firewall version 12, which I will provide you. This course is for security engineer, security administrator, security operations specialist, security analyst, reseller, pre-sale system engineer, system integrator, system admin, support staff, and for other security background related or firewall engineers. The prerequisite for this course is student must be familiar with network concept, including routing, switching, and IP addressing. Student also should be familiar with basic security concept, experience with other security technology like IPS, proxy, content filtering is a plus. Recommended training include the firewall essential. They must know the essential firewall. This will be our main topology we will use in the lab. So this is single firewall which has different deployment like a V-wire, layer 2, tape mode, aggregate, sub-interface, layer 3 VLAN, and we have internet for outside. The images which we use in this course is Palo Alto version 12.2, the latest and updated one, Cisco switch IOL, client we gonna use the Linux Mint, web server we will use Linux Ubuntu server, and internet and management like this one, management PC and internet cloud are management cloud and net cloud. That's it.